All right, here you go. We'll go with this. We'll cover a couple of things here. Shanmari, let's start with Shanmari. Can you fill this up, number one?
She is afraid of spiders, sir.
So you can write down, very good. Afraid of, two words you write it down. Number one, afraid of. Whenever afraid is coming in English, the preposition will be of. So in any context for that matter, everyone write it down. Number one, afraid of. Number one, afraid of. Because some of the things will be very tricky in the sense you generally make mistakes you have to correct. Afraid of is a little bit easy. All right. Anvida will go with the number two. Number one is you have to write two words, afraid of. Whenever afraid is coming in English, of is the preposition that is going to come. Anvida is going to handle number two here.
He's good at mathematics.
Very good. Whenever good is coming, it's going to be at. So number two, you write down good at. Write it down. Good at. As I told you, initially it will be easy. As you go on, you have to be thorough with this, otherwise it will be confusing. He is good at. Indians, we try to say good in, no. Good at. I am good in maths, no. I am good at maths. This is what you want to say. So number two, you have to write good and at. You have to write good and at. He is good at mathematics. You have to write that way. Very, very good. Now I'm going to go with Anvita again. Number three.
They are interested on art history.
Shanmari is going to help us. Whenever interested is coming, what is going to come, Shanmari?
In
The for.
Whenever interested is coming, it's going to be in all the time. Note it down. Note it down. Number three, interested in. Note it down. Big exams, they are going to ask this, the proposition plus proposition they call. So whenever interested is coming, it's going to be, it is going to be in all the time. Number three, write it down. Write down those two words alone, not the sentence or the choices. You have to write it down, those two words alone. Quickly write it. So I'm trying to get Aravind, but once again. They are interested in art history. Very, very important. Anvida, you should never make a mistake in the future. Interested means in. Always remember. Take your time, write it down. Write it down.
okay, sir.
Yes. Sai number 5. The proud is coming. Look at Sai. I am proud. Whenever proud is coming, this is going to come quick. Sai. Okay, Sai is delaying here. I don't know, like I'm going to go with Agilan. Agilan, I am proud.
Sir, I am proud for my achievement.
Not really, Shanmadi.
I am proud of
Whenever proud is coming, of is going to come. So, Agilan, write it down. Proud of. Those two words alone, you write it down. Because when you revise, you will get it. When you revise, you are going to get, there is no proud for in English. There is always going to be proud of. Very good. Next one is tricky. It's a lot of big exam they will ask. Next one, I'll go with Shanmadi on this number 5.
She's married with a doctor, sir.
No, Shanmadi. No, Shanmadi.
Married to.
Yeah, married to a doctor. Married to, always remember, married, that format is married to a doctor. Write it down. Number 5, married to. Married to. Married, we will have, like, when you have a profession, married, only you are going to go with 2. Very good. Only those 2 words you have to write, married to. Number 6, Anvida.
Are you familiar with the software?
Very good. Whenever familiar is coming, it is going to be with. Superb. Whenever familiar is coming, it's going to be with. Write it down, number 6, familiar with. Superb. There could be multiple options. We are going to see some of those questions down the line. Fairly easy one. Look at this, Agilan. Agilan, go with 7.
Sir, he is angry about the delay.
He is angry about the delay. Very good. Look at that angry, that emotion, worry, the angry, anxious, concerned that about is going to come. Some noise is coming. You guys have to be careful. Noise is coming. So number 7, he is angry about the delay. Number 7, he is angry about the delay. Whenever angry is coming, that's going to be about. Very good. Very good. Sai, you have to fix your audio. Very important. The time will go like this, just like that. Number 8, Anvida.
She is jealous of her sister's
Whenever
success.
jealous is coming, excellent off. Whenever jealous is coming, it's going to be off.
Okay,
Jealous.
sir.
Write it. Is jealous of her sister's success. Arav, show your face. Never be late. Already 7 minutes gone. It's 1 hour 15 minutes class. Just like that, it will go. By a blink of the eye, it's going to go. Sharma, be careful. Number 9.
We are excited about the tip.
Yeah,
sir.
whenever excited is coming, about is the feeling. That's a very strong feeling. Excited about the trip. Write down number 9, excited about. Excited about. As I told you, there could be some questions that could be tricky and complicated. Don't be very confident, overconfident at least. Like you just have to take it up. Excited about it. I'm going to go with Agilan on 10. Careful.
Sir, she is bored with the movie.
Yeah, bored with this movie. Bored, not bored of, bored with. Very good. Good job, right? Right there, Agilan. Bored with. Number 10, bored with. Write it down. Bored with. Guys, be serious because you have to cover a lot of combinations today. You have to go back home and revise it. Without revision, nothing will move on. Right. Number 11, I'm going to go with Shanmadi here. Very, very popular one. This one, number 11.
He is capable in solving the problem.
Not really. Whenever capable is coming, Agilan, help us.
He's capable at solving the
No,
problem.
whenever capable is coming, this is going to come. Everyone write it down. 11 is important. A lot of exams I have seen this question again and again. Of. Whenever capable is coming, of. Write it down. Number 11, capable of. Very popular one. Very popular and famous one. Well-known one. Very careful with that. He's capable of solving the problem. Now, 12, Sharmadi.
The town is famous at its castles.
No, whenever famous is coming, this is going to come. Whenever famous,
Sir,
right?
false.
About, sir, about.
Famous for. Write it down. Write it popular for, famous for, well-known for, famous for, notorious for. Look at that. There are a lot of those same kind of feeling will come under the same proportion. This is called a plus proportion, especially adjective plus proportion. This is how you want to learn English, like not single word, 2 words. Look at the 2 words that's going to come here. 13, I'll go with Anvida here. Number 13, careful.
I am tired of working so much.
Super. Whenever tired is coming, it's going to be off. I'm tired of. So when you read the other options, you may be tempted to choose something else, but tired is going to be off all the time. English is very strange and funny. You can't think through that through English. It's very strange. 14, another popular one. I'll go with Agilan on this. Popular one, keen.
Sir, she's keen at French language.
No, whenever keen is coming, this is going to come. Shanmadi, help us here.
So with
Oh, whenever keen is coming, this is going to come.
On, sir.
Keen on, always.
Sir,
Keen on.
sir.
It has to be on. Note it down. It has to be on. Keen on. No other answer. That is the only answer possible. Note, take your time. Note it down, guys. Some kids do well because of one reason. They keep reading a lot of books. When they read high quality books, all these things will be factored in. Shanmavi, another well-known, very common one, 15.
He is responsible for the accident.
Superb. Whenever responsible is coming, it's going to be for. Write it down, number 5. Responsible space for. Responsible space for. Quickly note it down. 11 minutes have gone. Only 15 we have covered. We could cover as many as like 100 combinations today. Shanmadi, 16. Go with it. You should be knowing this very
I'm
easy.
bad at cooking, sir.
Super. Good and bad. Look at that. That's going to be add. Some people say I'm bad in cooking. No, that's wrong. Bad at. Write it down. Number 16. Bad at. And with that, did you write everything till 16 so far? Very good. So far, so good. Because it's only 2 words for each question. It's so easy, isn't it? All right. I'll go with Agilan here. 17.
Sir, similar to her mother.
Yeah, whenever similar is coming, it's going to be 2. Wow. Yeah, whenever similar is coming, it's going to be 2. She's similar to her mother. She's similar to her mother. Good job. I'll go with Anvida on 18. Careful, Anvida.
He is late for the meeting.
Late for the meeting. Late for the meeting. Exactly, that is. Late for. You write it down. Late for. That's an adjective followed by the preposition. Pretty standard one. Pretty standard one. He's late for the meeting. Very good. Very good. Very good. Sai, you have to fix your audio. I am disappointed. You guys have to fix the audio. What is there in it?
Yes, sir.
It's a technical thing. You can easily fix it. And you have to fix it. Like right after the meeting, you have to fix it so that you are ready for the next class. Number 19. Number 19. I'll go with Anvida here.
She's known for her kindness.
Yeah, known for, famous for, popular for. Look at all the emotions. Same word for. Super. Write it down. Known for. Known for. Write it down. We are going to run through some of those combinations here. I'll go with 20 Shanmadi here. Shanmadi.
What the result?
I'm worried about the results.
Yes, I am worried about the result, concerned about the result, nervous about the result, anxious about. Look at all the negative feeling. All the negative feeling about is going to come. Good job right there.
She's good.
Agilan 21.
She's good. She's good at reading newspaper.
Agilan. Quick, Agilan.
Sir, she is good at dealing with people.
Yeah, whenever good is coming, it's going to be add. That's what it is. Superb. The easy ones, you can plug it off easily. Arav, I'm going to go with the Arav here. Only Arav, no one else. The power has gone here.